Okay, so for now we will be discussing about question 4. So the question states a vehicle is chosen at random. Find the probability that is an MPV. What an MPV mean? It is the probability of not an MPV. So we have the total number of the vehicles are 70. So how do we do this is we take the probability of MPV and minus it with 1 because 1 is the whole probability. So by minusing it with 1, we get the probability of choosing not MPV. So I think this is the way to do this. Minus um, 24 is the total. This is the number of MPV. And divide by the total number of all vehicles, which is that's why the probability of choosing an MPV is 24 over 17. This is the probability of MPV. Then this is how we do this for the first Roman. So the answer is 23 over 35. What do you guys think?
I think it's correct.
Yep, it's
Okay.
correct. And I got the same
Um,
answer as you.
all right. So then I will move on the second Roman. The first and the second one, I'm sure the most luck. I'm confident with the first, so I this so this a car if it has a regular service, meaning that the regular service is this row. The total number of regular service is 53. So um, there are two conditions, which is hold on. The regular service this row and it must be a car. It must be a car. So the way we do this is this one. Given that it is regular service and then we it is a car. So to calculate the probability of choosing a car given it is a regular service, this is this is the formula I choose. And we take this the probability of R and C divided by the probability of R. The answer is 30 over 53. This is my answer. Um, 1. Not sure about the third one. Can you guys explain?
Yeah, I agree with your solution because I got the same as you.
Yep, me too.
Can you guys explain the third one? The third one.
Okay, so let's move on to the third Roman. The question is find the probability of a four-wheel drive if it has a major service. So look at the question. The probability of a four-wheel drive given by a major service is equal to the probability of a major service intersect with the four-wheel drive, and it is divided by the probability of a major service. So it is equal to 3, which is the number of four-wheel drive, and it is divided by 70, which is the total vehicle, and this probability is over by 17, which is the total major service over 70, which is the total vehicle, and it is equal to 3 over 17. So that is the probability of a four-wheel drive if it has a major service. So what do you guys think about my solution?
Oh, so that means your answer is same with mine lah.
Yeah.
If it is what it is, I believe that our solution is correct. How about B1? Arish, do you know how to explain this?
Which question?
The B1.
Question B1, please.
All right. Wait a sec. Okay, so the question says that probabilities of two events A and B are probability A equals to 0.5 and PB equals to 0.3 respectively. If P A union B equals to 6, then determine whether events A and B are the first mutually exclusive and why. Okay, so it state that P A union B equals to 0.6 and PA plus PB, which is PA 0.5 and PB 0.3. Sum two of this and you will get 0.8. So we can see that this two is not exclusive. It is because the value of P A union B and the sum of PA and PB, which is 0.8, and it is not the same. So that means it is not exclusive. So what do you think about it?
I agree with your solution.
It's solid because of the is different. Yep. Um, we have another one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'll explain the last one. Okay. It asks us if the event A and B are whether they are independent or not. So when we talk about the independence of two events, I think we have to compare it with the probability of the intersection between the two events and the value of each, the value of the probability of each uh, events. So if it is like this, it are independent. It must, the intersection between A and B must equal to the probability, to the vector of, not the vector, to the multiplication of the probability of A and the probability of B. They are equal. They are. So by calculating the intersection of A and B, I get the answer 0.2. For the multiplication of probability, I get 0.15. Not the same, which leads to the conclusion that event A and B is not in. So I think it is correct. Hello,
Yeah.
can you hear
Yep.
me?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah, yeah.
Did I so I think that's all from this question. So we are okay with the answers we obtained, right?
Yes, I'm totally agree with our
Um,
discussion, and I am glad that our discussion has been running smoothly.
Yeah, I also agree with you guys. So that's all.
we can cancel this. Not cancel. We can end this.
Thank you.
Thank you.